started off on Amazon as an international, I had a bit of issue with my deposit method. So as an international, as a Nigerian to be precise, my my card for receiving payments couldn't work as a deposit method for receiving payments from Amazon. Basically, when someone purchases from you, pays, Amazon receives the payment. But now, for Amazon to then pay you, you need a deposit method. Now I use Access Bank in Nigeria, so my card then couldn't work as a deposit method, so I had to find another means of receiving payment from Amazon. Now the method I used, the option I used was going through Payoneer. So Payoneer was my method of receiving payment from Amazon. So yes, and Amazon accepted Payoneer. There's another payment method Amazon suggests. I think it's called Hyper Wallet or so. Hyper Wallet, I believe. I can't remember the name. Yeah. So, but I preferred Payoneer. So you could also check out Hyper Wallet. However, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of Payoneer, because that's what I use and that's what I would recommend as an international. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so we're on my dashboard here. All we have to do is to go on our search engine. I'm using Google, and type in Payoneer. Now once you're there, you click on the first link up here, which is the payment platform for cross-border digital businesses, Payoneer. So just going to let that load. Now once we are here, we click on get started for a new beginner. Now they're going to ask you this to describe yourself, basically so you can get the right account for your needs. So you're going to have 4 different options. There's the freelancer option, the online seller option, affiliate marketer option, and the individual option. So we are going for online seller because we want to start selling on Amazon. So that's what best describes us. So we're going to click on that. So we're looking to get paid by e-commerce marketplaces, which is absolutely correct. Now, as you can see while we are here, let's just quickly scroll through what is written on this site. It says get paid by all leading marketplaces, including Amazon, Wish, Lazada, and the rest. So we are more interested in Amazon. So as you can see, this fits perfectly for Amazon. It allows you to withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates, pay your suppliers, pay your VAT, manage your multiple Amazon stores. So this is part of the reason why I went for Payoneer, because it fits into what I want to do. So I'm just going to click on register. And once we've registered, you can either select to go for an individual or a company. Now, as an individual, that means your business isn't registered. For a company, that means you have your sole proprietorship, you have your corporation, LLC, and all of that. So that means you have your documents basically to back that up. So now on this site, you can see there are basically about 4 steps you need to take to complete the process, which is getting started, your contact details, your security details, and then almost done basically. So you're going to just fill up this first page, and then from there head on to the second page, then third and the fourth page. So let's get right into that. So once you're done with the whole process, with the email verification process, you'd have to come back again to sign in. So I'm just going to show you how you can get your card details, which you then include on Amazon. So I'm just going to quickly sign in and then show you how to get that done. So once you've successfully signed up and all of that, and you're on your dashboard, all you have to do now is to click on Get Paid. Now when you click on Get Paid, you open up your receiving accounts, and it's going to show you the 2 accounts you have. So currently my approved accounts are GBP and USA. So if I wanted to get this information, all I have to do is to click on view details for any of the card, and it's going to show you all your card information, which you can then go on to Amazon and input in those information from your Payoneer account. So do try it out, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the section below.